Welcome to Short Economics. Today we will discuss on measurement of economic development. Economic development is a process of changes over a long period of time. There are several criteria or principles are there to measure the economic development of a country. But none of these criteria provide a satisfactory and universally acceptable index of economic development. So, economic development, the measurement of economic development is a complex problem to answer about the measuring of economic development. Here we can see the views of Lipsey. So he says that there are many possible measures of a country's degree of development, like income per head, the percentage of resources unexploited, capital per head, saving per head, and amount of social capital. But commonly used criteria of economic development are increase in national income, per capita real income, comparative concept, standard of living, and economic welfare of the community, etc. GNP, Gross National Product. Gross National Product is an estimate of total value of the final products and services turned out in a given period by the means of production owned by a country's residents. It is commonly calculated by taking the sum of personal consumption expenditures, private domestic investment, government expenditure, net exports, and any income earned by residents from overseas investments minus income earned within the domestic economy by foreign residents. Any output produced by foreign residents within the country's borders must be excluded in calculation of GNP, while any output produced by the country's residents outside of its borders must be counted. So, we can say that GNP measures the total monetary value of the output produced by a country's residents. Per capita income is the another important measure of economic development. Per capita income is a measure of amount of money earned per person in a nation or a geographic region. It can be used to determine the average per person income for an area and to evaluate the standard of living and quality of life of the population. Per capita income for a nation is calculated by dividing the country's national income by its population. Per capita income is a measure of amount of money earned per person in a nation or a geographic region. It can be used to determine the average per person income for an area and to evaluate the standard of living and quality of life of the population. Per capita income for a nation is calculated by dividing the country's national income by its population. PQLI, Physical Quality of Life Index. It is an attempt to measure the quality of life or well-being of a country. It considers the value is the average of three statistics such as basic literacy rate, infant mortality, and life expectancy at age 1. PQLI was developed for the Overseas Development Council in the mid 1970s by Maurice David Morris. Another important measurement of economic development, that is Human Development Index, HDI. HDI is a statistic developed and compiled by United Nations to measure and various countries' levels of social and economic development. It is composed of three principal areas of interest: mean years of schooling, expected years of schooling, life expectancy at birth, and gross national income per capita. This index is a tool used to follow changes in the development levels over time and to compare the development levels of different countries. The computed HDI of a country is an average of indexes of each of the life aspects that are examined: knowledge and understanding, a long and healthy life, and an acceptable standard of living. The components is normalized to scale between 0 and 1. Capability approach is the another important measure of economic development. The capability approach, also referred to as the capabilities approach in economic theory, conceived in the 1980s as an alternative approach to welfare economics. In this approach, Amartya Sen and Martha Nussbaum bring together a range of ideas that were previously excluded from traditional approaches to the economic of welfare. The core focus of the capability approach is on what individuals are able to do. There are many other measures are there. I hope you got an overall idea about the different measures of economic development. Thank you so much for watching.